The Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum is a cutting-edge home cleaning solution that offers sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping capabilities all in one device. One of the most impressive features of this robot vacuum is its self-empty dock, which automatically empties the dustbin after each cleanup, providing up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. Equipped with PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, the vacuum creates accurate maps of your rooms for intelligent cleaning and can be controlled using voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. With 6 cleaning modes and the ability to customize cleaning settings via an app, this vacuum offers flexibility to cater to your specific cleaning needs. The powerful 4,500 pascal suction capability ensures thorough cleaning, easily pulling debris and pet hair from your carpet. The robot vacuum operates on a long-life lithium iron phosphate battery, providing a runtime of up to 120 minutes, and comes with a range of accessories including a self-empty charging station, cleaning brush, electric control water tank, and more.